Tanveer Muhammad Masood, and in this edition of Commerce, Business and Technology, I would discuss one of the most important business convention that was basically concluded in the way back in the year 1994 in the month of January. It was basically a pact, a business pact, international business pact that was basically concluded between Mexico, Canada, and United States. It was North American Free Trade Agreement, or NAFTA we call it very popularly. It was basically the combination of work and done by these three countries, and it was an agreement which was basically concluded between these three countries to reduce tariff and non-tariff barriers and create a free trade area wherein these three nations could trade freely, and that would create loads of revenue for them. And at the end of the day, what would happen as a result of this agreement is that there would be a reduction in the restrictions of carrying out of any sort of business activity in these three nations. Restrictions on the trading of different commodities like the pharmaceutical products, products like non-perishable nature. Different restrictions on trading of this sort of products were lifted as a result of this agreement. So North American Free Trade Agreement is one such agreement that basically has gone down into the history of these three countries that basically aims at lifting restrictions on trading on certain commodities which are basically found quite rare in nature, and that's the reason why this agreement has been brought about.